Dear students, welcome to this E-Prashnaku Badaledi program. Today we are going to learn about mineral acids. What are the mineral acids? What are the examples for them? Let us see. Acids derived from minerals are called as mineral acids. What are minerals? Give examples for minerals. Nitrates, metal nitrate, silver, and magnesium carbonate, magnesium nitrate, calcium carbonate. These are the minerals. So acids are derived from these minerals. Suppose carbonic acid is derived from carbonates, sulfuric acid is derived from sulfates, or in other words we can say compounds which are the cause for the formation of minerals in the earth's crust are also called as mineral acids. The good examples for the mineral acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, perchloric acid. See, hydrochloric, what is the form of hydrochloric acid? HCl. Nitric acid, HNO3. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Perchloric acid, HClO4. Carbonic acid, H2CO3. H2SO3 is sulfurous acid. This is sulfuric, H2SO4. This is sulfurous acid. Phosphoric acid, boric acid, H3BO3. Hydrofluoric acid, hydrobromic acid, HBr, hydroiodic acid. These are some examples for mineral acids. Now, what are the various types in mineral acids? According to the strength of the acid, how can we know the strength? Strength is defined like this. Acids which liberates H plus ions in the solution, it's called acid. If it liberates easily the H plus ions, more concentration of H plus ions, that is strong acid. If it liberates less concentration of H plus ions in the solution, such compounds are called as, such substances are called as weak mineral acids. Now, let us see. Strong mineral acids are which liberates hydrogen ion concentration more in quantity, more in concentration in the solution. Such are called strong acids. Examples are hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, perchloric acid, HClO4. Hydroiodic acid, hydrobromic acid also can give the strong acid, can give example for the strong acids. Here, sulfuric acid is called king of chemicals or king of acids. Here it is entirely different from aqua regia. 1 part of nitric acid and 3 parts of hydrochloric acid mixture is called 3:1. 3:1 ratio of mixture, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid mixture is called aqua regia. It can dissolve all salts, insoluble salts of any acid, or metals such as gold and platinum or silver, like that. So noble metals can also be dissolved in this aqua regia. There is 3 parts of hydrochloric acid and 1 part of HNO3 mixture. Strength of the acidity of these acids can be written like this. Hydrochloric acid, it gives more concentration of H plus ions in solution. It is greater than HI, hydroiodic acid, greater than HB or hydrobromic acid, greater than HCl, H2SO4 greater than nitric acid. In water, in aqueous solution, all are completely ionized to give same strength, same concentration of H plus ions. So you cannot determine the relative strength of these acids. In other solutions, this is the order of the. So one can say sulfuric acid. Everybody knows sulfuric acid is a strong acid, but if you consider all are having one hydrogens, whereas it has 2 hydrogens. If you consider the first ionization of these acids, perchloric acid liberates more hydrogen concentration. It is the strongest acid. whereas nitric acid is a weakest acid. When you compare these three, consider first ionization, HCl is the strongest acid than sulfuric acid. So another one is strongest superacid. Strongest superacid is the fluoroantimonic acid, HFSB5. One may ask, which is strongest superacid? So there are so many superacids are there. Other superacids are there. Fluorosulfuric acid, HSO3F, trifluoromethane sulfonic acid, CF3SO3H. Similarly, the other type, weak inorganic acids. What are the weak inorganic acids? Which gives less concentration of hydrogen ions when it is dissolved in solution. Carbonic acid, carbonic acid formula H2SO3, sulfurous acid H2SO3, phosphoric acid H3PO4, boric acid H3BO3, hydrofluoric acid HF. These are all weak acids, which liberates less concentration of hydrogen ions in the solution when it is dissolved in water or other solvent. So, although these are weak acids, their relative weakest nature of acidity can be written like this. Relatively, it gives more hydrogen ion concentration in solution. So H2SO3 is relatively strong in the weak acid. Next comes H3PO for phosphoric acid, hydrofluoric acid. Next comes carbonic acid and boric acid. Boric acid is the weakest of the weak acid. Sulfurous acid is the strongest of the weak acid. So that means HF is stronger than carbonic acid. It is stronger than boric acid. You can know. So thank you very much. Please subscribe.